How did you make it?
Just I buy from Dollar Tree and I don't know how I made it.
That's beautiful.
I use Keychain, and when this painting is done, this is on this, and that's glue. Then you have to get like this. Then you have to put it like this. Now I'm going to get some more glue, only in one strip, like this, then like this, then pop, like this, then you have to get like this, then you have to do it in the right color. Gonna do it here, and I'm gonna grab the other pink one, like this, and now I'm gonna get this red. Now I'm gonna put it here. Now another red. It's already 5, so here and another one. The 5s are red and the silvers are 1, and the 2s are golden, and the 3s are blue, and the 4s are pink, and it's like this. Now I'm gonna put the other one here, and now get this one, put it here. Now this one here, this one here, and I'm gonna get another one like this. Now I'm gonna find a 5 here. Now I'm gonna get you have to hold it like this, then carefully, gently pick it up, then put it in the furniture.
Wow. Unicorn beads. Wow.
Pussy.
Oopsie.
What?
Wow.
Lucky. Yeah.
Coco?
Wow.
Wow.
Hey, race. Hip. Yellow. Race. Go it. This. Wow!
Show me. Wow. How did you make it?
Just I buy from Dollar Tree and I don't know how I made it.
That's beautiful.